Hello dear friends! Today we'll be making my newest template from my Etsy shop. Another printable Christmas set for your dollhouse, miniature bakery or craft creations. As usual, you'll find a free sample in the video description. Let's get started. First, download the file and go to File, Print. I'll be printing on cardstock paper so that my round boxes have better support. Print in color and select the paper size you want, such as A4 or US letter size. Then set the scale to 100% as printers often add margins otherwise. For media quality, I choose normal. And here it is, the file printed beautifully with vivid colors even with normal settings. Now making the round biscuit boxes. Cut out all the elements. I'll be using white craft glue, which is ideal for wood and paper. It's water-based, easy to clean, durable and non-toxic, of course. Next, take a bottle cap that is approximately 3 cm wide for the 1/6 scale. I am using my Kids toothpaste cup for this project. First, check if the box lid fits on top of the cup, leaving a little extra space around it. Then roll the illustrated strip around the bottle cap, starting with the clear end where there are no images, applying glue as you go. Once that's done, apply glue to the bottom edge of the paper circle you've just created and attach the white box bottom. Leave it to dry. After it's dried, carefully trim the excess paper and voila, the bottom part of the round box is done. It looks adorable, just as I imagined. Now making the box lid. Take the beige paper, strip and roll it around the box base. Again, apply glue as you go. Once finished, remove the new ring from the box base, apply glue and attach it to the back of the box top. Leave it to dry, then trim the excess paper. While the box lid dries, I made the other two boxes. You might need to adjust the box lid slightly to fit the base snugly, but it should fit neatly, keeping the cookies from falling out. A little disclaimer: when attaching the box top part to the beige ring, I didn't notice the seam ended up in the front. Be sure to position it so the seam is at the back. Regardless, the box turned out super cute and now I'm ready to fill it with biscuits. Now creating the miniature biscuits. The digital file includes 3 biscuit designs for all 3 boxes. Cut out each individual biscuit. For the miniature biscuits, I am using jumbo hot glue gun sticks for the 1/6 scale and standard hot glue gun sticks for the 1/12 scale. Use an X-Acto knife to cut out as many biscuits as you need for your project. I am using 9 biscuits per box. Next, glue the biscuit paper design on top of each hot glue piece using the same craft glue. Leave them to dry and repeat the process to make more. Then mix brown acrylic paint to color the biscuits. This step takes patience, my friends. For the remaining biscuits, I used tweezers, which made the process easier and definitely cleaner. Once dried, apply a coat of glue on top of each biscuit to protect the print. Making festive cellophane bags. Now we'll create adorable festive bags filled with miniature Christmas biscuits. Cut out the front and back labels as well as the tags for each bag. I am using white and red cotton yarn to tie the bags, but you can use any yarn or floss you like. You'll need 2 pieces of yarn per bag. Now, use a needle or small scissors to make a small hole in the top part of the mini tag. Cut out a small circle around it to make inserting the yarn easier. For the bag itself, I am recycling a cellophane bag from spinach. Cut out a rectangle measuring approximately 7 by 6 cm. Flip it horizontally so the bottom measures 7 cm. Then tape the short sides together. Tape the bottom of the bag and trim any excess. Next, tape the front and back labels onto the bag. Fill the bag with the Christmas biscuits we made, tie the bag with yarn and trim any excess. Finally, attach the tag. these festive bags turned out so cute. I can't wait to use them in my mini bakery. Each contains 3 types of biscuits and looks so realistic with all the details. Finally, I created mini Christmas greeting cards to decorate my bakery stand. Just cut, fold and they are done. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more miniature DIY ideas. Get the printable Christmas template on my Etsy shop, littlemaggishop.etsy.com. The link is in the description. I've just created my Instagram account, so share your creations with me by tagging Etsy Little Maggie Shop. I'd love to see your mini masterpieces. Happy holidays and happy crafting! Bye!